concept definition, concept in a sentence, concept pronunciation, concept meaning. Welcome to another research paper word. American pronunciation of concept. Concept. Con-cept. Concept. Concept means a particular way of understanding something specific. Common usages in academic writing: novel concept, basic concept, grasp the concept. Example sentence: concept, noun. Difficult concepts can sometimes be explained by diagrams or graphs. The common academic writing variation is conceptual, adjective. Figure 1 represents a conceptual framework for observing user behavior. And conceptualize, verb. The diagram helps to conceptualize the problem. Please write a sentence using concept in the comments section. I will read it and reply. Now you can use concept confidently in your research papers. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next research paper word video.